A graphics processing unit, GPU, is a specialized electronic circuit designed to rapidly manipulate and alter memory to accelerate the creation of images in a frame buffer intended for output to a display device. GPUs are used in embedded systems, mobile phones, personal computers, workstations, and game consoles. Modern GPUs are very efficient at manipulating computer graphics and image processing. Their highly parallel structure makes them more efficient than general-purpose central processing units, CPUs, for algorithms that process large blocks of data in parallel.
In a personal computer, a GPU can be present on a video card or embedded on the motherboard.
In certain CPUs, they are embedded on the CPU die.